Welcome to Record-ology.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. So this is take 2, because the first record that I was presenting was literally so bad that it was unlistenable. So I scrapped that show, and I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll show the record and play snippets of it, but I was going to listen to the whole thing with you guys. That's my goal today, is play an entire record for you, and that was, you wouldn't trust me, I'm doing the world a favor by not playing that. So today we're going to listen to this book and record. Now I only have the record in this case. Usually I have these as complete sets, but in this case I only have this. This is on Peter Pan Records, 45 RPM, 1979A, but that's not the year. The year is 1976. Danmar International, made in the USA, Peter Pan Industries. Now, I don't know. There's probably a pressing mark, plant mark on here in the dead wax. I'm not seeing one. Let me look off camera here and see. I am not seeing one. So who knows who Peter Pan Records partnered with on this. But what's interesting, it kind of drew my attention to this record as I was, looking through the archives and thinking of something interesting to share with you. Henny Penny. And why that rings a bell, I don't exactly know. I just know as a child that name, I don't know if it's like a nursery rhyme kind of thing, that if I should know it, I don't know it. So I figured we would just listen to it together, and we are joined by the fabulous LP3. Now, some of you have asked about this LP3. You said, what's going on with the LP3? I don't know if they're going to stop making it or what. If you go on audio, first of all, Audio-Technica has a massive backlog of production going on right now. The whole record player industry right now is shook because of the disruption in all of the parts coming in from overseas, or products even coming in from overseas in most cases. So things are very back ordered. So the LP120, the LP60, the LP3, they haven't been discontinued. They're just very, very back ordered. So if you see something disappear off of Amazon, it doesn't mean it's been discontinued. That being said, I only see the black one of these available now on their website, and I'm not sure if the white one is still a thing. When I first got it, it was actually to replace the LP3, the black one we had, that I blew the preamp on. I think it was my fault, because I think I've explained that before, but it wasn't. I don't think it was the fault of the product. And I got this, and I was like, well, a white one. I'm just thinking to myself, is it going to yellow over time? But I've really enjoyed it. And then as soon as I paired it with the white acrylic platter mat, we were golden. So enough talking. Let's do some listening here and see why the name Henny Penny rings a bell. So without further ado, let's go ahead and spin up the LP3. By the way, thanks to everybody who joined our live tonight. That was a lot of fun. I decided not to post that one,
Hello,
but for everybody who was
girls.
there, I just want to say thank you so much.
And I'm going to tell you a story about the adventures of Henny Penny and her friends. Now you can follow the story along with me. Just read each word as I say it, and turn the pages when you hear this sound.
Unless you don't have the book, like me.
Let's begin now, on page 1, with the title of our story, Henny Penny.
Henny Penny had a friend whose name was Turkey Lurkey. Turkey Lurkey had a friend whose name was Goosey Lucy. Goosey Lucy had a friend whose name was Chicken Licken. All day long down on the farm for food they'd go a pickin'. Pick went Henny Penny picking on some bread. Suddenly an acorn fell and hit her on the head.
Goodness gracious me! The sky is falling down. I must run and tell the king.
On the way to tell the king, she met her turkey friend.
Turkey Lurkey, follow me. The world's about to end. The sky is falling down. The sky is falling down. We must go and tell the king the sky is falling down.
So off went Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey as fast as they could to tell the king that the sky was falling down. Soon they met Goosey Lucy swimming in the lake.
Goosey Lucy, come with us. Run for goodness sake.
The sky is falling down. The sky is falling down. We must go and tell the king the sky is falling down.
So off went Henny Penny, Turkey Lurkey, and Goosey Lucy as fast as they could to tell the king that the sky was falling down. Chicken Licken heard the news and cried, "What shall we do?"
Interesting. Let's go ahead and flip the record and we'll listen to the other side as well. This is definitely calling upon deep memories. I definitely heard this as a kid. That is a weird sensation when you haven't heard something for a long time and then all of a sudden you hear it again. It's just like mind-blowing. So this is weird. Like these sounds, I recognize it. It's from a production standpoint, it's interesting because it sounds like the music is older than 1976. It sounds 50s or even early 60s to me. And also it seems like it's heavily truncated, like they're editing these little sound snippets, but it's interesting. So let's go ahead and listen to side 2 here. Because of the fact it's a non-EP 45, it's a pretty short record. So we'll go ahead and listen to this side next.
We must go and tell the king, he'll know just what to do. The sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. We must go and tell the king the sky is falling down.
So off went Henny Penny, Turkey Lurkey, Goosey Lucy, and Chicken Licken as fast as they could to tell the king that the sky was falling down. By and by they met a sly old fox. Foxy Loxy was his name.
Where are you going, Henny Penny, Turkey Lurkey, Goosey Lucy, Chicken Licken?
Sounded like Thurl Ravenscroft.
Oh, Foxy Loxy, follow us. We're off to tell the king the sky is falling down.
Oh, but that isn't the way to the king. I know the right way. Follow me.
Pretty sure that's Thurl Ravenscroft, a.k.a. Tony the
Sly
Tiger.
old fox didn't lead them to the king, but instead he led them right into his cave. And as soon as they entered the cave, Foxy Loxy locked the door.
I'll just lock you up tight to come back later when I'm good and hungry.
It's pretty entertaining, actually.
What shall we do? What shall we do?
But Henny Penny knew just what to do. She dug a great big hole in the corner of the cave, and then Henny Penny, Turkey Lurkey, Goosey Lucy, and Chicken Licken crawled out and headed straight for home singing.
The fox will be surprised. The fox will be surprised.
When he comes home to eat his meal, he finds that we're not there. He'll be so mad he'll grunt and growl and tear out all his hair.
The fox will be surprised.
That's it, I think.
And so Henny Penny, Turkey Lurkey, Goosey Lucy, and Chicken Licken never did get to tell the king that the sky was falling down.
Interesting. Yeah, it almost sounds like it's from like a TV special or something. Let me know down in the comments below what you can tell me about this story and this record. But an interesting thing to listen to, even without the record. I get a kick out of it. I always love this kind of, vintage children's material. I grew up with records like this, and they were hand-me-downs, and it's really good memories and stuff, and interesting history as well. So I hope you as well. I hope you can use your words better than I can. I hope you enjoyed this show, and I want to say thank you so much for making the time to watch. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We'll be back at it tomorrow with another fun, hopefully, and interesting show. But that's going to do it for now, guys. Happy record hunting. We will see you tomorrow.